Benefits of Java palm. Java palms, also known as black palms or jamun, it has a numerous health benefits because it has a rich nutritional values. Here, a more detail of the benefits of Java palms. Java palms are a good source of dietary fiber which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The astringent properties can also help with various digestive issues. Java palm has a low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Some research suggests it may even help regulate blood sugar levels. Java palm have rich in vitamin C. Java palms contribute a strong immunity system. It has antioxidants like anthocyanins and polyphenols help to protect against cell damage and inflammation. The potassium in Java palm can help regulate blood pressure, which is beneficial for heart health. Antioxidants may also help reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Java palm oil extracted from seeds is used in cosmetics for its moisturizing and regenerating properties, and astringent properties may help reduce bacteria in the mouth. Studies suggest that compounds in Java palm may help regulate blood sugar levels. Antioxidants in Java palm may help elevate anxiety. Prunes derived from plums may aid in reducing bone loss. Java palm is a good source of iron.